Again, guys, what do you do? You still thinking about what do you do? Still not sure how to answer that question? It's the $1,000,000 question. It could take you, it could open the door, it could get you that contract, it could just take your whole business onto another planet. Do you think people that get yes are lucky? Do you think it's unlucky when you lose tenders? Or what is it? Is it a skill? Is it something that someone's actually deserves? Now, I'm sure like many, you're getting mixed results when you go out and pitch. It's common. It's not a case of, there's no company going out there and winning all of their tenders, winning all of their pitches. That's not the point. The point of pitching is about making a mark, creating a connection that's different, that separates you from the competition, that puts you on a different, gives you, or completely puts you on maybe a different standing in compared to the competitors and who the companies are that are being considered. Sometimes, there can be good fortune, equally there can be bad fortune. But over time, the creases get ironed out. And the performance of your business is based on results. And when you don't win, you lose. That's business, right? That's how it rolls. That's how it goes down. Now, I get pitched to all the time. I mean, daily on LinkedIn. Now, yes, it might be in text. Yes, it might be through Messenger on the platform. But that's not the point. The point I'm going to make is that the pitches are shit. Now, this tells me that the people that are pitching to me haven't had any training. And it totally affects my decision making on whether I want to work with them. Now, sometimes I have to work with a service provider. So let's say I need an electrician. I have to go to market, I have to get an electrician. I source 3-4 companies and I have to pick one. They could all be annoying the granite at me and they could all be poor at pitching, but I'm probably still going to use one. But that's not the point. The point is when you can pitch and articulate yourself well, you can just take your whole game and create connections on a different place to everyone else. And that's what you want to do with a pitch. You want people to remember who you are. You want the people to know who your name is. You want people to know the company name. And remember, people buy from people all the time. It's not even about the company, but pitching is about winning more deals than losing. It's a performance business. That's what you're trying to do, is get results, get outcomes. That's the whole point. But pitching is like a sword. You've got to sharpen it in the marketplace. The marketplace is where you get feedback. You pitch and someone goes, I don't understand what the problems were. I don't understand what the solutions you find. You think, okay, let me go back, let me retweak my pitch, let me make my solution clearer. That's why pitching just evolves and evolves, and you listen to the market, you tweak, you go back, you refine, you deliver it again, you get feedback, you refine. And over time of doing that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 pitches, you start finding that what you were doing here to what you're doing now, 200 pitches later, if you've got a framework, if you've got a system, if you understand the process of refining and tweaking that pitch to making it powerful, you can go take your pitch from here to here massively, and you can see some massive, and the differences will be in the outcomes. Ultimately, the market will determine those differences, not me, not anyone else. So that's why I put together a one-day workshop, and it's called Pitch to Win. If you want to pitch and take your game from here to here, I can give you the framework that I've learned. It's a 5-step system, and you'll learn how to clarify your message, articulate who you are, what do you do in simple layman's terms, what problems are you solving, what are the solutions you're able to provide as a service provider, and what's the big picture, what's the big vision that you're trying to achieve, that you can tell your clients so they realise that you're the company to go to and you're the company to work with. Now, if you want to learn about that 5-step system, get yourself in a workshop. There's only 25 places. It's end of March. I'm telling you, it's going to take your game from here to here. Don't miss out. Be on that workshop and you won't regret it, and you'll take your pitching game to another level. Thanks for listening.